Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A52 leaks in press render. Samsung is working on expanding of affordable 5G devices even further, and one of the upcoming phone in that rooster is the Galaxy A52 5G. This will follow the footstep of the A51 5G, which launched back in April. A few press render of the Galaxy A52 5G have been leaked today. As you can take a look at the smartphone in all its glory, as you can see in these picture, the front and back side of the upcoming Galaxy A52, the mid-ranger 5G smartphone. As you can see, it has a design that very similar to that of its predecessor, while the camera island has gotten bigger, and now each shooter has a distinct rings around its inside the island. It's design that's slightly more similar to what Samsung been recently doing for its flagship, and it also looks like they're better than what we had on a series phone on in the past. It's not a huge difference, but it's the biggest one you will find design wise between the A51 5G and the A52 5G. The new phone dimension will be 159.9 by 75.1 by 8.4 millimeter, and the thickness goes to almost 10 millimeter, where the camera bump is. So compare it to its predecessor, it's 1 millimeter longer, 1.5 millimeter wider, and 0.3 millimeter thinner. It will have a 6.5-inch screen with the embedded fingerprint sensor and center it punch hole for the selfie camera and 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. The back will be plastic while the frame is metal. The Galaxy A51 5G launched price $499, and given how similar the A52 5G seems to it, perhaps it's wise to expect a similar price point or maybe slightly lower, since 5G is less of a novelty these days. We will have to do some more waiting for the official detail though. There is still no indication as to when those might come. We will keep you posted about videos about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. So let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this mid-range smartphone, or maybe it's a $5 or $550 smartphone, but it's a really nice smartphone. Let me know in the comment section. Also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.